First thing we'll do is crack and separate egg yolks. A flat surface is ideal to crack an egg upon as you get fewer shell bits inside your egg. Over a small bowl, transfer the yolk back and forth between shells until you have a nice clean egg yolk. We're going to want 4 yolks all day. Next, we're microplaning garlic. This will make a beautiful garlic paste that we'll be using in our aioli today. Wrapping a wet towel around itself, we can make a stable base for our bowl. Lemon, garlic, and egg yolks. We'll be adding extra virgin olive oil and canola for our lipids today. As it thickens, you can add a splash of water to aid in the smoothness of the emulsion. You can make your aioli as thick or loose as you'd like depending upon its application. Don't forget to season and adjust your salt near the end. When it's thick enough to hold its own structure, we call this nappe. Nappe is a French term and simply means to coat. Now, if you have a food processor or a blender available, it is a far easier option and we highly recommend it. Aioli is a versatile sauce and has incredible applications across the culinary realm.